What's up guys, Brad here from Piney Grove, and in today's video we're going to be working on our back fence line. What we have to do is we have to take down some trees that are growing directly in the fence line and dig up some stumps that trees that we've already cut down. But the first thing we got to do is take our KX71 excavator, the one that I affectionately call Precious. We're going to go in this thick stuff right here and we're going to create a brush pile. I need some place to put the limbs from the trees that I'm going to drop, and also I'd like to clean up this area a little bit. So let's get to it. I want to leave any nice pine trees or any nice oak trees that are growing here. If they're scrubby, then I'll take them down. But mostly I'm just going to take this brush, just this wild native brush right here that's invasive, and just create a pile right here so we can put the limbs from these trees. Lifted up the excavator a little bit.
Brad got to compare an L3901 with an L3902 today, and now he's on Precious. Pretty good day for January 2nd. Good start to a new year, 2023. Trying to get Bella used to farm equipment and the excavator and the tractor and all the implements. And she's doing really well. She makes me very nervous, but she really is doing well. And the back fence line is completely exposed and she's not run off yet. Yay. There's a lot going on today. We got an electrician coming for the electrical for the pole barn and pop shop. We got the concrete people here forming up for several concrete projects. Got Brett on the excavator. And we got Bella.
All right guys, I got that cleaned up a little bit, but that brush is really, really tall, so you got to take it and grab it and bend it and break it. But I got a little pile going there, and now I'm trying to work it from the other end. So I want to try and save these two oak trees here. I'm going to try and get the brush around them and come around to the back of that pile and pile that up. And the brush pile should be behind those two oak trees. Just amazing how strong those kudzu vines are. They were all wrapped around these oak trees, and now I've bent these oak trees over, which I didn't want to do. But as I kept pulling the vines, they bent over, so I'm going to try and straighten them. Yeah, that's a lost cause. I'm just going to go ahead and rip them out. All right, I got that area pretty well cleared, and those kudzu vines, that's a pretty powerful excavator. I mean, it's only 25 horsepower to stay underneath the emission standard, so it doesn't have to have a regen system, but it's still got a lot of breakout force. I don't know what it is, 1,000 pounds, 1,500 pounds, whatever. But when I grab those kudzu vines and try to swing, and it's got a new swing motor, so there's nothing wrong with the excavator, it'll actually stop the excavator from swinging. But I got all those vines ripped down. I pulled out all the brush I wanted to pull out, and I created a nice pile there. And now I'll just add to the pile as I cut down the trees that are in the fence line. But first we're going to rip out this stump.
He and his Precious, quite the team. Oh my. Look at that.
On the highway, it's our way. 66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.
You want to talk about what you just did there, Mr. Fancy Pants?
I just ruined my chainsaw chain. That's what I just did.
I did wonder about that.
Most of the tree's on the other side. So technically we could probably cut it, but then there's a whole bunch of mess to clean up. So what I did is just cut off these roots here, put my chain in the dirt, but it's the last tree that we're cutting. And I just made these two little channels right here. This oak should survive, but it's not really a great oak anyway. But again, I didn't want to cut it. So I just made little notches there to put so the fence would go down in there. So what did you say about that tree? What does it do?
I said what I heard about your explanation was that it saved work and the tree will still live.
She's not spoiled.
Easy.
That was a little baby stump. No problem for Precious.
I mean, seriously, it's such light work for this excavator. Just one other reason why this thing has been so handy.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. This is day number 3 on the fence, right?
It is the third time we've been out here, but cumulatively probably only 12 hours.
If you like today's video, please click that like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, why not? It's time to commit. But otherwise, that's all I've got. You got anything?
I don't have anything.
I think you have something.
Do I? I usually do, but I don't. I really don't. I don't have anything.
I think she has anything. Remember,
Life is short, tractor hard.
life's short, tractor hard. She got it right. Take care, guys.
Take care.